see.
Look, it's down here.
Oh, he ate cookies too.
And he did.
And there's his milk.
I told you he did come.
Oh my
And
God.
he bring you some. Let's go downstairs and see it.
Holy moly! Someone must have been a good boy this year.
Me and I was a good boy.
Look at all those presents.
But look at that Batman present.
Wow. Batman.
Right there.
Oh, it's really chilly this morning.
And the Mickey Mouse present.
Oh my
Look,
goodness.
let's go.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Wow. We get all this stuff.
Wow. Oh.
Come on down here.
Look at all that.
Check it out this.
Wow.
Look, you're almost done. And he ate the cookies.
You did?
Wow.
What's in your stocking?
Yeah,
Oh.
goodies.
Goodies. You want to see what's in there?
And look, Daddy, full of presents.
Oh my gosh, he must have been. Oh my gosh.
And
I
sweet
thought I
tarts.
heard him last night.
I saw.
Did
And
you hear it?
But you know, I heard his reindeers.
When I took your socks off last night, I think I heard him. Remember when I took your socks off? I think he was there. Wow. Let's see what's in your stocking. You want to open this first? Then we'll wait for Gimme. Want to see what's in your stocking?
No, you know what?
We gotta wait for Gimme.
Look.
Lightning McQueen.
Look.
And Batman. Holy moly. And Mickey Mouse. Wow. Did Santa turn off the lights on the tree? He must have got stuck behind there. Yeah.
We love Santa. He's the baddest guy ever. Sweet tarts. Sweet tarts.
Wow.
Sweet
You
tarts.
must have been a good boy, dude.
I do.
Give me high 10.
I told you I was being a good boy.
Well.
Hey, look at this itty bitty one.
Itty bitty one. Wow. We gotta leave these under the tree and wait for Gammy. You grab the stuff out of your
But
stocking.
if we take them all, they won't be my present anymore.
They're yours. We're going to wait for Gammy. She's coming right now. You can open and see what's in your stocking. I think so.
Let's open them.
Let's see what's in your stocking.
Let's open them. Let's
all the
open